This is system test 62 of the fire alarm system. I've made some changes. I've installed some new devices as well, rerouted some cabling. So yeah, let's begin the test. Ensure you are logged on before you start giving it commands. So down here I've shifted the detector to down here. I've also put a bass sound strobe. It's an Apollo ionization, I believe. Come on. There we go. Make sure it doesn't go off again. I've been having problems with one of the detectors in the system. Make sure it's not going to go re-alarm. Quite odd that location. Load of detectors kept faulting in it. The wiring's fine, everything's fine. Just chucked a new base on it and everything seems to be working. Quite odd. Right, that's not going to go off again. Do the one in here. Now in here, the Casey sounder's not linked up. The Rafiki call point is, and here we've got a base strobe only with an Apollo, is it CV60 or 65? Either one of them optical. So. Will it go off? There we go. Don't know why I was turning into that one. Now, this is the yeah, so I've got all these sounders, but I bet you're not going to guess what's out here. What, behind me? Let me move over here so you can sort of see the LED strobe.
Fire emergency. Please remain calm and evacuate the building immediately. Fire emergency. Please remain calm and evacuate the building immediately. Fire emergency. Please remain calm and evacuate the building immediately.
Yeah, so as you heard, I have a fire-crier. Let me show you in more detail. It's the Fire-crier Plus. It's got numerous tones on it. The LED strobe on it is extremely bright. Really bright. It's got other messages on, all of that. What else? Yeah, and these are, I'll try and put in the description what brand these are, the bass sounder strobes. Oh.
Fire emergency. Please remain calm and evacuate the building.
Clearly I can't talk about fire alarm stuff. Yes. Yeah, I'll try and put that link in the description. And I wonder if I've missed off any devices. Yes. I was just thinking then. Reactivation on one of the smoke detectors. Now with the Rafiki call points, you don't actually need the test keys to reset them. When that flag actually drops down, you just push it back up. Not really the best design of call point, because anyone could just activate it, reset it. But yeah, so here we go.
Fire emergency. Please remain calm and evacuate the building immediately. Fire emergency.
So yeah, so I may make some other changes to the system, I'm not sure. So we'll see in the future. So that is system test 62 of the fire alarm system, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like and subscribe.